Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we have ordered Samsung Galaxy M51 from Amazon when we have received the package, and we are doing the unboxing video for the package today. So I am cutting it now. Paper tape is more stickier than it seems, and definitely harder to cut. So I'll say it's really stickier. So opening it now. Here is the bill. I'll leave the bill aside. And wow, here is the phone. I'll sanitize my hand before touching it. And I got an envelope, and that I'm sure is my insurance. So I actually took the insurance of this. So that is that. And now here is the mobile phone, Samsung Galaxy M51, the monster phone with 7000 mAh battery, and its labels are still intact, which says that okay, the phone should be in it. So let's cut down. I want to be precise. I do not want to damage the box. Alright, so let's unveil it. Ta-da! So here is the monster phone, Samsung Galaxy M51. So you see, it contains 4 cameras, flash, other details, and the phone itself. It comes with a travel charger. Oh, charger is a little bit bulkier, and I see that it comes with OTG cable. The speciality of this cable is it have a similar connection on both sides, so you can connect it to the charger or connect it to another mobile phone, so the data transfer should be easy. So it should come with extractor as well. I am not able to see it, so that is missing or something. Oh no, there's something more in here. I missed this part. So it should have the manual, and here it is, the extractor, and the manual. Who I don't think so anybody reads in India, but still, it's empty now. Now let's turn it on. I'm going to create another video for its first look and maybe how to configure it, but here it is, Samsung Galaxy M51. So Samsung gives a pretty good charger. It's heavy mobile phone. It's simply when you lift it, you know it's heavy. So it's heavier than my current mobile phone, which I'm going to show you in a moment so you can see the comparison. Let's go. No, I'm not going to go now. But I'm just bringing my mobile phone here, my current mobile phone, which is Redmi 9. And as a comparison, you can see it's definitely larger in size. And yes, because of the screen, it contains only 2 cameras and a finger sensor. It contains 4 cameras, and I don't see a finger sensor, but it says it comes with it, so I take it must be on screen maybe. So that is something I need to check. Where is that finger sensor? Is definitely not at the back, so must be here. So thank you everyone for watching this unboxing video. I will create another video in which I will tell you how to set it up, and then after a week I will give you a feedback video. So thank you everyone for watching. Do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.